Welcome to a continuation of my experiments with the Raspberry Pi 2 running Ubuntu Linux and the robot operating system. The Raspberry Pi 2B Plus is connected to serial cable, power of course, network cable for virtual network computing, and a band cable which connects to this breadboard with some electronics and fischertechnik. And the objective is to have it all run via the nodes of ROS, robot operating system. So this is a separate node, this one. This one is not a node because it only signals when there is some light shine upon the phototransistor. This LED should be one and this one is one. So where am I at? Even that is not entirely certain because of the fact that one or two signals are correct. One signal is not adding up, and then I really mean mathematically adding up. It should count and it doesn't. So let's continue with the software. And as usual, I have centered the camera, then ROS core is running. This is for running the whole control node, phototransistor node, fischertechnik LED node, which is this one, source codes. Then also looking here on my Android tablet, red LED and the motor, and with those two I have running everything. So now I will start control. Now I can start these two, so motor as well as the red LED, and if I have set this up all nicely, then it should work, but it doesn't because this wire is out for some reason. Now it does work, so that is good. Then why doesn't the motor work? Oh, and this doesn't work because everything is gone out. Not good. I don't know which hole it is, but I will have to take the schematics. The motor runs because it's wired, that's good. Phototransistor running. And fischertechnik LED, which won't run because it's not wired now. Ouch. Well, it will run, but it won't do anything, which is a difference. So let's wire it up and see. So with the schematics, it shows that the fischertechnik LED, which is right here, should be connected to pin 22. So that means that this brown wire is connected here to pin 22, physical, which is a different thing than GPIO pin. Anyway, it should work. Question is, does it work? Well, that's an entirely different thing, which can be shown also with this green LED, which lights up when I do have the lamp on my smartphone working. and if everything does work, that is my smartphone doing something, and yes, it does work. So let's light up the whole thing, and then it would be very nice if I have some result. But yeah, that reminds me that will not work, because somehow I'm not certain that this wire is carrying a signal after all. So and then I am talking about this wire specifically going here. And one of the ways to check that is using an oscilloscope, since I can't possibly do, well, I can do an LED here, but I'd rather not. So yeah, in comes an oscilloscope for some reason, for somehow. Yeah, well, let's do that. Right, so right now I have shifted aside the Minicom terminal, added oscilloscope, and only this yellow line is applicable. Now I can also see that the fischertechnik LED is shining with 2 strengths, whatever. Probe connected to the voltage divider. It's the same point as here, so yeah, that's good. Then let's go for it again. Light is shining. What do I get? It's set to 5 volts. So what am I getting, if anything? And I'm not seeing a lot, I have to say. Previously this LED showed very nicely when something happened. So far I don't. I don't see anything actually. So this is alright. Alright, this could be a little bit better. Let's do it again. Last time it wasn't very bright either, but it seems now not to do anything right now. Alright, let's position this one on top. And I have to say it doesn't do a thing. Well, regarding this LED. So let's take off and try again. And unfortunately I don't see anything happen. Not one glitch, not in the LED and not on the oscilloscope. So that is for a disappointing result. reseat the wire, try again. And no result. So when here's no result, I don't have to expect a result here either. So that's not nice. How to continue? And by some trying I got a result. So let's do it again. Now this LED is showing some light, and also the oscilloscope is showing light. But, and here's the catch. The catch is that the whole block from here to here is 5 volts. And the problem is that the threshold is no less than 3.3 volts. And this is by no means, let's take that level, this is by no means 3.3 volts, which also means that the signal is not coming through by any measurement, and that is a problem. That means that my idea is failing completely. So my idea being using this phototransistor to count or to give a signal through the GPIO to the program to have a message sent through that this LED is going to light up, won't work, not as long as I have this voltage divider in it. And that's an oops. So let's take another chance and measure this, which is the voltage over the LED. Which is remarkably higher, because I skip the voltage divider. Is that 3.3 volts? It might just well be. Or 2.5 anyway. I think it's 2.5. Which is still no 3.3 volts. And the problem is that the Raspberry Pi has a threshold of 3.3 volts, I think. I have to find it out. Anyway, that is a problem. So, how to continue? It's a good question right now. And yeah, well, with this result, I think it's a nice time to end this episode. So, while I am not entirely pleased with the result, at least some clarity, by measuring on the oscilloscope, and right now I do not know what to do with this voltage divider. Should I leave it in? If so, then I certainly will not get the result that I want. But I did put it in because I already in the past blew up a port. And the blowing up is right there somewhere. One port that doesn't work anymore because of over voltage. What to do, I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment or suggestion, much appreciated. You can also follow me via Instagram and Twitter. And you can also become a patron. please show your support by making a donation via either PayPal, Wired, or becoming a patron. Have your name mentioned. Please see my website for more details. You can find the URL under this video or at the end of the video. This is obviously going to be continued. For now, have a nice day. Take care. Stay healthy and bye bye.